Hello, hello, hello! Today was a good mail day, so you're going to be seeing a little bit of me on different days wearing the same outfit, and no makeup because today I'm working from home. All right, first I have a package from Etsy, and I'm not going to say first or second or whatever because I'm going to do these all on different days. So for you, it's the first one anyway. So hello! This is from a company called Grayce on Etsy. I will do my best to leave the link below, but in case I forget, here is her information. She does beautiful work from what I can tell. I haven't seen anything yet, but oh my. So you guys know I have been loving some project bags, right? Look at this. Oh my goodness. It is so cute. And I don't even know if this is going to be a project bag or just a bag for planner stuff or whatever. But it has, ooh, it has two pockets in this little flappy pocket. And then it's got a bottom and it pulls out at the bottom. So it's a kind of a nice size. It's described as a bridesmaid's bag, which I think is fabulous. Can you imagine being a bridesmaid and getting this? I think it's so cute. So if you can't read it, it does say Tammy. It's all lowercase letters. And it is just a, not just a, but kind of just a vinyl print on here. But it looks like it is done really well. And I love the bow. She did a great job on these bows too. I don't know if she buys them or whatever, but she had lots and lots of different colors, lots of different colored bags, lots of different colored bows. And I'm not afraid to say, because one of my very best friends, Tracy, that you guys know, her birthday is March 6th. And this will probably go up before her birthday, but she already knows she's getting it because she stinks at surprises and doesn't like them. And her favorite color is Kelly green. So they had a Kelly green bag, and then she also loves like lemon yellow. And they had a lemon yellow print. So she's getting a bag that's Kelly green with a lemon yellow print that says Tracy on it. So I am excited for that. She should be getting it any day at her Chicago house. So yay! Thank you so much. I am really excited. Grayce, and she was so Everly Grayce. What a beautiful name. And she was so excited, or so sweet when I ordered too. And my goodness, fast shipping. I would say this took all of maybe 4 or 5 days to get here. Insane. Personalized and everything. So it's a really pretty big bag. I would say it's, well, you can find the measurements online. I'm not going to measure it because honestly, it kind of depends on what you put in here. And it feels like it's lined with like plastic, so that's kind of neat. And it has, I noticed a little pocket here on the side. I guess you could put like sunglasses in there or a bottle of water or whatever you wanted, but it's really cute. It's boxy. I'm just loving it. It's not one that you would throw over your shoulder. It's definitely one that you would just hold in your hand. But it is really, really cute. So, yay! I'm excited. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye-bye.